That ain't real. That ain't real.
Hey guys, so I wanted to come on here and do a little tutorial on how I made my drop it channel point. This channel point, when redeemed, forces me to drop my weapon mid-game. That way I can get some clips like this.
You've gotta be shitting me, bro. You gonna clutch that, bro.
My game of choice is Valorant, but I'm sure you can set it up for other games as well. This tutorial is super simple. I did see another tutorial about this, but I haven't been able to find it since, so I wanted to come on here and make a new one. I do use StreamLabs, but I'm positive you can figure out how to use it on OBS if that is what you use. So for the first step, we are going to go to our creator dashboard. Over on the side, we have viewer rewards, and we have power-ups and channel points. We're gonna go here to manage power-ups and channel points, and this is here you are gonna give your reward a name for your chat to redeem. So we're gonna go all the way to the bottom and click add new custom reward. And I named mine drop it. You can give it a description if you would like, and we are going to enter the cost amount for your chat to redeem this reward. And then if you would like, you can put fancy little pictures instead of it having this right here. But for the sake of the video, we are just gonna pick a random color, and we are gonna click create. So now we have this drop it channel point. Now that we have our drop it channel point, we are going to go over here to alerts. This is optional, but we're going to edit our alert box. If you don't have this, you're going to create an alert box. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and we are going to scroll down until we see channel points here. We are going to add a new variant. And then now we have this selected, and we can go over here to general settings. And then we can change this to our drop it channel point. We'll do this one. Alright, and then I like to get rid of this. If you would like it to pop up a video or some words on your screen, you can mess around with this, but I like it to not, so I erase all the words. And then I also get rid of the visual and the sound that's already attached to it. I like to have it have a sound, so we are going to go to a website. The website that I use is called Myinstants. This gives you a bunch of free sounds that you can play around with. So to save the audio, we're going to go ahead and click share clip, and we will copy it. Now I have created a sounds folder on my desktop, that way I can easily see it, and we are going to paste this into it. Now I like to rename it, that way I kind of know what sound it is. Now we are going to go back into our alerts, and this is where we're going to upload the file for our sound. So we will go ahead and put slip. And now when we play it, once it is redeemed, it'll play that sound. And you can mess with the volume. I put mine all the way up. Once we have everything set the way we'd like it, if you want visuals, sounds, words, and whatnot, we are going to copy the browser source URL. This is where we are going to go into our StreamLabs, and we are going to create a new source. Make sure to put it on the source that you game with. And then we are going to open up a browser source. Now keep in mind for this next step, you only have to do it once because the URL is going to do whatever is in this alert box. So for the channel points that I already have, I have multiple in here. I only need the browser source once, and it'll do it for all of these. We're going to name it whatever we want. You can name it alerts, whatever. I'm just going to leave it as browser source for the sake of the video. And this is where you are going to put that URL. That way it links your alert sound to your actual StreamLabs. And then we are going to go ahead and click close once we've done that. And now the sound will play on our stream. Now for the next step, we are going to download Mix It Up. So go ahead and search that in the search bar and it'll pop up here. Go ahead and click the first link. Do not click the download as of right now, it won't let you download it through that. So we're going to go to the main one and we are going to click download here. Once you have downloaded it, you're going to go ahead and open it up. I already have an existing profile. You will not, so you're going to create a new profile and go through the steps here. And this is where you are going to link your Twitch or whatever platform you use to stream on. So go ahead and log in with that. Now we're going to go ahead and hit login. Okay, now we are at our dashboard, so you're going to come over here to your sidebar and you are going to look for your Twitch channel points. This is where you are going to create the action for the channel point. So we're going to add command to existing reward. We're going to find our reward, whatever we named it. And we are going to come down here and we are going to find input, keyboard, and mouse. And then we're going to click add. And we are going to do 2 of these. So for the first one, I have mine set to where my weapon switches over using the number 1, my main weapon. And we're going to leave it on click. And then down here is where you're going to put whatever key it is for you to drop your weapon. So mine is just the default G. Now you can just do the 1 input and just do whatever your drop key is. I have set it up with the 1, that way if I have my knife out or just like my pistol or whatever it is, it will pull out my gun, then drop it. Now once that is all set up, you're going to go ahead and go down here and click save. And now we have our new channel point. Now you can test this out. I usually go to the range on Valorant and click play and it'll go through like someone is redeeming the reward. So now you can go into the range and see if your channel point works. And there you have it. Now make sure though when you are streaming that you always have Mix It Up opened on your computer. Otherwise it will not redeem the reward. It will play the alert like the reward was redeemed, but it will not drop your weapon. So just keep that in mind. I hope this tutorial helped and that you will be able to get some funny clips.
You've